Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to build a scratch card in Flutter. Now this is easy to do. Make sure you have the scratcher package in your prospect.yaml file. Then let's replace this text with the scratcher package. And now I have scratcher. I need a child, so in the child I'll be using the Flutter logo. And I should save this. Now we have the square in the middle, but I want my to be bigger, so I'll make it 150, the size 150. And if I check this now, all right, so now you can see if I scratch it, scratching. Let me restart again. So if you want to make a way to be able to reset what you scratch, you need a key, and then I'll create a key for it. So I'll say final scratch key equals to global key of the type scratcher state. Alright, and then I'll have a floating action button with the onPressed function, and I'll be using the key here. So I'll say when we press it, we'll get the scratch key dot current state dot reset, and then I'll assign the key here. So key is equals to scratch key. Alright, so let me see what's wrong here. Okay, no safety. And if you check it now, if I scratch and then I press here, it will reset it. Also, if you want to display a message when your user scratch up to a point, so I'll say threshold should be 50. Like when the user scratch up to 50, I want to display a message, and then I'll call the onThreshold function and say scaffold messenger dot of context dot show snack bar, and I'll have my snack bar here, and I'll say you win. So save this, and if I come back here, and yeah, you can see you win down here as a snack bar. So this is how to display a scratch card in your Flutter app. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also comment down below the type of video you want next, and share this video with anybody you think may need it, and I'll see you in the next lesson.